Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here because I missed you guys. I did. I know I didn't post last week, so yeah. Anyway, welcome to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, you are so much welcome. We happy to have you here. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. And if you are returning Sabi, you my day one, you my go, like go. Say it with me. Baby, thank you. So thank you so much guys for your support. We just reached 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers, you guys. I'm happy. I'm so excited. I was like Anina ID. I'm so grateful. I'm really grateful, and I think it's only fair that we do a giveaway. So please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is NAKHO_MAHOLA, and then I'll post the giveaway there. What is required for you to qualify for the giveaway or stand a chance to win, okay? But without wasting any of your time, guys, any of your time, you come back losing everything that you know. So yeah, I am back with another video. In this video I'm only demonstrating to you guys a eyeshadow look, this beautiful nice bright eyeshadow look that I've done. So I'll be taking you guys through step by step on how to achieve it, okay? So yeah, buckle up, get comfortable, and enjoy this video. Without wasting any time, let's get into it. So guys, first things first, I will have to put a lighter concealer on my eyeshadow, sort of like a base, so that whatever color that I put in there pops. And also I will be using Rosa Nera Cosmetics Bloom palette. This is the palette, child. This is the Bloom palette. This is how beautiful the palette is. Oh, good. Okay. Okay. By the way, I already look gorge. Like, I already look gorge. But yeah, so first things first, I will be using the Catrice Liquid Camouflage in shade 005 Light Natural. I will be using it as my base, you know, just to have that look. And I'll be using this angled brush. So this is what I'll be using the brush just to blend out this concealer. So yeah, I'm just pretty much blending the concealer then here, so that any eyeshadow color that I put, you know, can pop. You can. Okay, so now I'm gonna set this concealer with the translucent powder from Yardley, because you don't want the concealer creasing, right? So just set it with some powder. Okay, so we are going to be using 7 brushes. You pretty much need 7 brushes, but also this is doable with just 2 brushes, right? But I'd advise that also we expect on this eyeshadow thing. So we're gonna use 7 brushes. These are the brushes. We have this tight round one, then we have this fluffy round one, then we have this sort of flat, yeah, and then we have this round point one, and then we also have like this short tight flat one, and we also have like this so tight Yeah, and then we have this one. This one is just a clean one, just to use to diffuse a color, nothing much. I'm gonna start with the shade Rise. Sorry, this is the shade, the purple shade. Maybe because I have like nice purple nails, because come on, look at my nails, child. Look at this. Period. Just go with it and just put it there, and then just blend it. I always advise building a color rather than just packing a color at once and then you have to blend it out. It's usually hard to blend it out rather than building. I think building works best, but then it's honestly your own preference, okay? Child focus. This is the tighter brush, and then we are gonna go in with the shade. Apparently the shade is shade. Yeah, shade. And with that color, we are just going to put it right underneath the transition shade, but right where my crease is. See that? And then I'm just gonna try and blend it up lightly. Very lightly. Just to infuse those two colors together, because you see that, right? Simple. In with this pointy brush, sort of like a round pointy fluffy brush. This is the best brush for blending, by the way. These brushes are all from Rosa Nera Cosmetics. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Bloom. This is the shade Bloom. This is the shade, and I'm gonna be using that blending brush. I'm just gonna be putting this color right in my corner of my eye, and try just pushing it forward. See that? That is magic happening right there. Now we are just building up that color now. Bringing in to my crease. Bringing it in to where my crease is, because I want that strong shadow when I'm cutting my crease. Remember, always build your colors, especially the dark colors. Build them rather than packing them. Build them nicely. Look at that. Now then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette, my Jane Charles Morphe palette, and I am taking a dark shade, more like a black shade, because I want to really give it that intense smoky look. This is the shade, and I'm also going to use the brush that I use to blend that purple shade. Careful with black as well. Black is a very hard color to blend, so you need to be careful when you're working with black. So I'm putting the black right on top of that purple because I want that really dark smoky vibes, but also not losing the side of purple. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm sure it does. You guys can see already what I did, what I'm doing here. Great. Okay, now that we're done, I'm going to use my concealer brush, which is this very flat brush. This is this flat brush. I use this brush for concealers and to shape my brows and all that. So I'm going to use this brush, and then also, so I take a concealer, right? This is a concealer, the same concealer I used as my eyeshadow base, which is very light. And then I tap my brush, my concealer brush, and then I put my concealer right here, right? And then I look up. See, I'm not going to, I'm just going to cut my crease around that area. Bring it down. Okay, so I'm gonna work with this brush, and at this point we're bringing the colors to this concealer, right? That's what we're doing. So I'll use the pink shade, which is called Shade, and just blend it forward to this concealer and also on top of that black. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm sure it does. Look at that. Look at that. How nice is this look? Look at that. Then I'm gonna go back to the shade Bloom, which is the purple shade, and just put it a little bit on top of that pink. Also bring it forward, blending it together with the pink and the black, because yeah, again. Okay, I am going back to the shade, to shade with a different brush, or rather the same brush I used for shade, and I'm going to lightly tap that shade right there, right, and then I'm gonna go in with the shade Rise, which is sort of like the transition shade, the lavender shade, and just put it in front of that pink. Child, this is looking so nice. Then I am going in with the white shade, which is the shade. It's called Shade Flamboyant. So I'm gonna go in with that white shade because for some reason I'm obsessed with white. Okay. There's the white shade. Right there. The rest of that crease will carry the white shade, because I'm singing a song. cute. This is pretty much how my eye looks. All those colors in there have blended so nicely. I'm gonna quickly do the other eye and finish the rest of my makeup and come back. My eyes, I'm gonna quickly work on my under eye, and then I'm gonna use one brush and one brush only. This is the brush. It's this flat brush. So I'm gonna pretty much try and do what I did there, just to create that smoky feel. So I'll start with my transition shade, build it up just exactly how I did it on top, né? Nothing intense. The shade Rise, which is like the purple shade. Build it up. Then I'm gonna use the shade, the color shade, which is the pink shade. Look at that. Then I'm gonna use the bloom shade, that is the purple shade. There we go. Build up those colors. Okay, so and then I'm gonna go in with this tiny angled brush and just apply the black eyeshadow with it. I'm gonna use the black eyeshadow on my waterline. See that? See that? Period. Okay, so we have come to an end of our video, guys. This is the final look. I look stunning. I look good. I look gorgeous. My dot. But yeah, I look great. I look great. I look hella cute. I look hella cute. Okay. So yeah. So this is the final look, guys. I look amazing. I'm so in love with it. And I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys try this look out and pull it off, because I feel like it's the easiest way, or the easiest whole look. But yeah, I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. And I hope you guys love this look as much as I do. But yeah, man, like I love it. I think I look fine. I look fine. Fine girl. Fine mama. Okay. I'll see you guys on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. And please follow me on Instagram. It's NAKHO_MAHOLA, because we have to do a giveaway, guys. I mean, we're on 1K subscribers. I mean. So please follow me so you can stay in touch with more. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. I love you so much, guys. Bye.